We gon'
What's up guys, I'm the East Coaster fan, and today I want to talk about a piece of news that's been out for a little bit, but I think is really interesting, especially if you're an amusement park fan on Long Island. Now, it was announced that Splish Splash, which is the water park on Long Island, is going to be getting rid of something called the Battle for Mutiny Bay, which I can confidently say is the worst attraction at Splish Splash. So you can definitely tell that I'm really happy about this decision. For those who don't know, the Battle of Mutiny Bay was a splash battle attraction, which is pretty rare to see in a water park. But the way that Splish Splash treated this attraction was not good. They didn't really keep up with it. Many of the effects were turned off. I think I've been to Splish Splash about 3 times in the last 5 years, and I've only gotten 2 rides on this. Both times the guns have not worked for me. But the guns really aren't the only problem with it. The way they design the ride, you're not really interacting with other guests on other boats, but you're interacting with those on the outside who want to interact with the ride as well. But not that many people really wanted to interact. As you can see on this map, which I have taken from Google Maps, this ride is in a kind of dead end area of the park, kind of behind Bootlegger's Run and Tunnel of Terror. And if you know Splish Splash, you know that this is the back of the park. Again, it's kind of like a dead area, and it's a pretty hidden path. Also, I forgot to mention, right here, in this grass area, this is where Bombs Away and Riptide Racer are, which is their mat slide and floor dropping slide. So with all those factors, I think it's a good idea that Splish Splash is removing this ride. It'll give them the opportunity to really put something there that will benefit the park for the better. Now, I was trying to think of possible replacements for this, and really, you can put anything. You have all this land over here, and there's plenty more behind it. But the best thing I could really come up with was a new water fortress. Now, Splish Splash does have a fortress called Monsoon Lagoon, but it is not that great. There's only one slide, and there's not really a lot of interactive elements. It's also in kind of like a tight area of the park. Here, I feel like you can build a pretty good sized water fortress with a bunch of different slides, and will be much bigger, kind of like East Coast Waterworks at Hershey Park. But anyway, those are my thoughts about the Battle of Mutiny Bay leaving Splish Splash. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked this video, please make sure to give it a like. If you really liked it, make sure to subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!